Thank you everyone for subscribing to my channel. Appreciate all your likes, shares, and valuable comments. Sorry I was busy, I couldn't upload any videos in the last few months, but I have got more coming. And also based on the multiple requests that I have received, I thought of sharing my input file so that everybody can get benefited out of it. Also, I know I've got a few videos with a very louder background music. Sorry for that. I cannot reverse it, but I can post all my future videos without the background music. I know it is difficult to develop or design any new solution without having a proper data set. So I thought of giving a proper data set so that it will help you in your learning journey. So these are the five different set of data points that I have uploaded. So one is the customer data, products, region, stores, and payment related data, so that you can simulate a retail store and have these dimensions and facts carried over. So and also I got these set of data in five different formats. One is the JSON format, XLS format, CSV format, and also XML. And also I have provided the SQL scripts using which you can create your own table and also insert test data into the table. In order to download this data, you can log on to my website, which is rohanbs.com. Either you can directly get into download section by just typing downloads, or you can go to the discussions menu. Under that, you can click on all downloads. So this page has got all the files that you can easily download. And if you notice, the first five set is all about customer data in a different format. So likewise, I have got the stores data, payments data, and products, and also the region related data in five different file formats. So go ahead and download these files just with this click, and when you open this you will find all the creatable DDLs, and also you will see the insert statements.